confidential paperwork with the Securities and Exchange Commission to get the ball rolling on a potential IPO. NPR's John Ruich reports.
OpenAI's plans to list shares on the stock exchange have been an open secret for a while now. Taking the first step, saying they submitted confidential paperwork, joining a wave of blockbuster IPOs. Come on. Competitor and Flopper, the client, the same paperwork. NPR met Spaces, which does satellite communication, social media, and AI, is putting its own initial public. OpenAI inside of it. Come on, is it the public unit without John
An NBA 5 fan. San Antonio. Police can't unlock no bag for tickets.